Every year, Clear Creek ISD asks every family to complete one simple survey, the Federal Impact Aid Survey. This guide walks you through exactly what it is, why it matters, and how to complete it, step by step. Here's what we'll cover. First, what impact aid actually is. Second, why every family responds, even if nothing applies to you. Third, what counts as federal property. Fourth, how to complete the survey in Skyward Family Access. And fifth, where to go if you need help along the way. Let's start with the basics. Impact aid helps school districts recover part of the local funding they can't collect from tax-exempt federal property. Here's how that works. Federal property doesn't pay local property taxes. That means less local revenue for schools nearby, a funding gap. Impact aid is the federal government's way of helping close that gap. It supports students and schools across all of CCISD, not just the ones near federal property. So why does every family need to respond? CCISD has to receive an answer from a parent or guardian for every student, every year, to identify which students are federally connected. If a parent works on federal property, the answer is yes. If a parent is on active military duty, the answer is also yes. And if neither applies to your family, that's completely fine too. You'll simply answer no to both questions. Either way, your response counts, and it's what allows CCISD to show that every family was surveyed. Now, what exactly counts as federal property? Answer yes when a parent or guardian is a federal employee or a government contractor and physically spends at least 50% of their work time on federal property. That's the key number to remember, 50% or more. And here's an important distinction. Your employer doesn't have to be the federal government itself. For example, if you work for a contractor at NASA Johnson Space Center, your company is the employer, and Johnson Space Center is the federal property. If your workplace isn't listed on the survey, don't guess. Just email federalprograms@ccisd.net, and the federal programs team will help you sort it out. Now let's walk through completing the survey itself right inside Skyward Family Access. There are 6 quick steps. Open online forms, review the student's pre-filled information, answer the federal property question, answer the active military question if it applies, certify that everything is accurate, and submit. And remember, complete one survey for every student in your account. Step 1. Sign in to Skyward Family Access. On the home screen, you'll see a banner letting you know an online form is available. Select Online Forms from the left menu, or simply select Fill Out Form right from that banner. You'll see the Impact Aid survey listed separately for each of your students. The student's information is already pre-filled, so there's no need to re-enter anything. Just open the survey next to each student's name and complete and submit it separately for every student in your account. Step 2. Answer the federal property question. Select yes only if the parent or guardian physically spends at least 50% of work time on federal property. If you answer yes, you'll complete the employment information, the parent or guardian's name, relationship, employer, and the name and address of the federal property. If you answer no, you'll continue on to the active military question. Step 3. Answer the military question. If yes, complete the military information, the parent or guardian's name, relationship, branch of service, and rank. If no, continue straight to certification. To finish the survey, review the certification statement, check the certification box, and submit the form. So when should you complete this? The survey opens on August 24th, 2026, and we're asking every family to complete it by September 14th, 2026. Every answer should reflect your family's situation as of August 24th. However you answer, yes or no, completing the Federal Impact Aid Survey for each of your students helps CCISD recover funding that supports students and schools across the entire district. If you have questions along the way, Federal Programs is glad to help. Email federalprograms@ccisd.net or call 281-284-0018. Thank you for helping make sure every CCISD family is counted.
Thank you for spending time with us today. Parent 101 is a parent and family engagement initiative from CCISD Federal Programs, created to help every family feel informed, included, and supported. Explore every Parent 101 guide anytime at ccisd.net/parent101. And if you'd like to help shape the work we do, your voice matters. Share your thoughts through our survey at ccisd.net/federal programs. Because together, we go farther.